Hello, my name is Terry, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator in the United States. I'm with Rustic Barn Cards. Today is my quick tip Monday, and I want to share how to place an order using Stampin' Up! Online store. So I don't mind placing orders for my customers, and I do that. But I have a few customers that I feel they're pretty savvy with the internet and they're still not sure how to place an order. So I thought I would make this a quick tip Monday and hopefully help some of you out there that are not quite sure how to navigate the Stampin' Up! Store. So I'm going to use myself ordering from using myself as a demonstrator. And of course, you would place an order with whoever is your demonstrator. Now, if you do not have a demonstrator, I would be happy to be your demonstrator. So just reach out to me. If you do not have a catalog, I also just contact me and I'll send you a catalog. But today's quick tip is about how to use the Stampin' Up! Store and place an order. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to share my screen, and you would go to, let me go ahead and pull that up because I need to share that. All right, so you would type in my first and last name, so terryhartley.stampinup.net. And whoever your demonstrator is, you would use their first and last name .stampinup.net. And if you look right up here, you'll see my first and last name, terryhartley.stampinup.net. But you would, of course, want to use whoever is your demonstrator. And then you can see up on the left-hand side that you're shopping with me. So really quick on this page, you can click on About Me, Host, Join, Events, Specials, Shop Now. And we're going to do Shop Now, but I want to quickly show you that if you did click on Events, that I have a calendar that I keep updated. And I show over here, you'll see those little, today's the 18th, so it's darker blue, but the others are light blue or aqua, and that shows that I have events in those days. And then over here you can read more about them. So basically I have quick tips every Monday. Usually the last Monday of the month is I do a video on my YouTube channel, Paper Pumpkin, and then on Thursdays I post videos on how to make cards, and I focus on quick and easy cards. So if you're a beginner or even an advanced stamper, I think you'll find some useful information, because even those of you that are advanced, we all need quick and easy cards sometimes. All right, so let me go ahead and back out of this. And what we're doing today is Shop Now. So you would click on Shop Now and it would bring up the online store. I'm going to move myself over a little bit. All right, and notice it says Shopping with Terry Hartley, and you would have whatever your demonstrator is right there. And you see Shop Products, and when I hover over that, it brings up bundled savings, ink and coloring, other products. You can shop by color, getting started. So lots of different ways you can click on. You can find out what's new, and of course the new January to June mini catalog, which is awesome, and even sales and specials. So don't forget about the clearance down here. That's always a fun place to go to find some bargains. And who doesn't like bargains, right? And then of course you can join Stampin' Up! And you can host a party, but we want to place an order. So for an example, right now I have a January class, and it's using the Hello Dear Friend kit from our mini catalog. So let's say you want to order that and be part of my class. How do you do that? So you don't have to sign in and you don't have to create an account. You certainly may, but we're going to just do this as a guest. Okay. So I'm going to go over to this magnifying icon right here. I'm going to click on that because I don't really remember what the, move myself out of the way. I don't remember what the item product number is. So here's a search bar, and all I need to do is to type in hello, dear friend. And there is the Hello Dear Friend card kit. So I just need to click on that and it brings it up and it's $32. And over here on the left, I can click and I can see the stamp set that's going to be in the Hello Dear Friend card kit. I'll see some more of the items in the kit. And if I scroll down, it gives me a product detail, and I'll find out that it's all inclusive. It has a block and stamp, has enough supplies to make 12 cards, and 3 each of 4 different designs. And then it even shows you over here that sorry about that, that the kit includes everything in here. So I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to put this in my cart. And all I need to do is just click on add to cart. So let's say that this is all you want to order and I'm ready to check out. I can just go up here to my little shopping bag and you see it says 1, and if I hover over it, it brings up my shopping cart and the subtotal is $32. But I'm going to click on this shopping bag and the order summary is $32. And the subtotal is $32 because we have not added the shipping and taxes yet. But I'm going to go to checkout. And here is where I keep getting my cursor in the wrong place. Okay, so I can continue as a guest or I can sign in. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put an email there as a guest checkout and click on guest checkout. Okay, and then let's look over here before we go on, because this is what's really important. So for an example, if you are taking my class, you need to use a certain host code. And most demonstrators will have a host code for the class or just for the month. And I have a host code if you're placing an order this month in January, if you're not going to take my class. But if you are going to take my class, then there's a certain host code. So right down here, you have a coupon code and a host code. So you just click on host code and then you just enter the code. So for example, my code is HDBUKTYW. And by placing an order for this kit and using that host code, then I know that you're going to take my class. And then of course you do need to click apply. See that right down here. So right next to the host code, it says, I'm going to bring that up a little bit so you can see that. So host code, and then you type it in and then you click apply. And then you go ahead and continue with checkout. And then with checkout, you do need to put add your first and last name, your shipping address, so they know where to ship your product to you. And then you can decide, if you click this button, you will receive some emails and promotions from Stampin' Up. If you want to, click it. If you don't, just leave it unchecked. And then you would continue. And then this is where, of course, I didn't put a shipping address in, so it wants me to do that. And then after the shipping method, then there's a payment method. And then even shopping with, they will let you know again who you're shopping with. So in case you've chosen the wrong demonstrator, you can change it. And you can see that our host code is in here. The merchandise was $32. The shipping is $6.95 and $38.95. And it might change a little bit because I put my address in as far as for taxes. They haven't included the taxes yet. And of course, you do know that if you order $50 through the end of February, then you may choose a free item out of the Sale-A-Bration catalog. And the $50 is before shipping and tax. I hope this has helped I am going to go back real quick, and let's say that you want to order one more item. Okay, so for shop products, I'm going to go to stamps. And I can go shop now for stamps, and it's going to show me a variety of stamps. And then it also will list them for you. Okay, so you can find it that way. If you can find a stamp if you know the number. So let's go back to the search bar, the little magnifying glass. So I'm going to click on that. And scroll back. There we go. And then I'm just going to put an item number in here because I know my item number of my stamp set that I want. But if you didn't, you could just go under shop products. So I'm going to put 155983. And it brings up several, but I was looking for the well-suited suite collection. So I can click on that and it will come right up. And again, I can look at it by clicking over here. I can also find the product detail. And if I decide I want it, I can add it to the cart. So that's another way. If you know your product number, you can look it up that, you can just type it in on this using the little magnifying glass and type it in the search bar. But another way, you can just go under shop products. And if you want stamps, you could click on stamps and say shop now. And it will bring you up. It will bring you the actual pictures of stamps. But over on the left, you can shop for all the stamps, certain occasion, season, stamp tools. So it does break it down a little bit more for you. So again, if we wanted, let's say we wanted this one right here, we would just add it to our cart. We can view our cart. And now notice that I'm going to click on that again. I have, get myself out of the way. I can choose a free product from the Sale-A-Bration. So isn't that awesome? So I could, and then I can choose one item and I can add that. And I can look in my Sale-A-Bration catalog, or right here, it shows you everything that you could. And let's say I want this cute little donkey set. Okay, and then I'm ready to go back to check out. But before I do that, again, you can add your host code or you can remove it. So don't forget to apply to add your host code, and if you have a host code, and then I can just go to checkout and I'll put in my shipping information, go continue. Then it will ask me if I want the regular shipping. If I want, you can certainly pay more and receive your product quicker, or you can do the regular shipping. And then you add your payment method and make sure who you're shopping with. And there you go. So I hope that you'll feel more comfortable shopping on the Stampin' Up online store. And I hope this has helped you. So leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. And have a great Monday and have a great week.